Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today we're going to do something just a little bit different, and it's a nice kids recipe. And I have a little helper with me today. Say hi, show me your little hands. These little hands are going to be helping me make a nice kids treat. And the treat is peanut butter and banana bars. So you can make this very easily with just 3 base ingredients, which is 3 bananas, oats, and peanut butter. And the other thing I have is a nice cake decorations, so we're going to use these to top them up, to make them nice and colourful and appetizing for the kids. So let's get started. Are you ready?
No.
Are you ready?
No.
Say yes.
Yeah.
So to get started, the first thing we're going to do is use a mixing bowl, and we're going to take the bananas and peel them, and we're going to mash them into the bowl. So my little helper is just taking the skin off the bananas, and then she's going to put them into the mixing bowl. It's a great way to get your kids to learn how to cook nice and healthy. Now, so she's just finished putting the 3 bananas into the bowl. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a fork and we're going to mash the bananas. So we're just going to let her try and mash the bananas, let her have some fun doing it, and then I'm going to help her out and finish off mashing the bananas. Mash the bananas. Very good. And again, mash, mash. Wow. Is that good fun?
Yeah.
Good. Again. So the bananas are a little bit hard, so I'm going to help her now to mash them. So let's mash, Liara. Let's go. So now the bananas are all mashed nicely. So next thing we're going to do is add in oats. So we're going to use 2 cups of oats. So we're going to use her favorite little Peppa Pig cup. So I'm going to give her the oats, and she's going to fill up the cup with the oats. Now, so put the oats in the cup. Very good. And another one. Do it again.
Yeah.
Good. So then once the cup is full, we're going to add it into the bowl, and we're going to do it again. Fill up another cup. So you're going to put 2 cups in with the bananas. So now, Liara, pour your cup of oats into the bananas. Yeah, hold the cup. Good. And pour it into the bowl. Well done. And another one. So the kids will make a bit of mess, but that's all part of the fun. As it's a kids recipe, so you just let them have as much fun doing their cooking as possible. Good. Now, is the cup full? Is the cup full? Yes? Is it full?
Yeah.
Good. And now you're going to pour it into the bowl. Now, take your cup and pour it in with the banana. So pour it into the bowl again. Hold the cup. Good. Yay! So now we have our 2 cups of oats in the bowl. Next thing we're going to do is add in the peanut butter. So we're going to add in 6 tablespoons of peanut butter. Now, Liara, do you want to put peanut butter in the bowl?
Yeah.
Yeah, take the spoon and put it in the bowl. Good girl. Up. Way. And shake the spoon. Well done. Bang it. And do it again. So we're going to do that 6 times. Nice big spoon. And in. And again. And 1 more spoon. Very good. Now, so we're going to mix all this together. to make our dough. So now we're mixing, so we can mix all the ingredients together. So I'm just going to give her a little bit of a help, holding her hand. So while she's mixing up the dough, I'm going to turn on the oven and put it on 180 degrees for it to preheat the oven. And then I'm also going to use the baking tray, and I'm going to grease it with grease-proof paper. So now what we're doing is we're just transferring the dough from the bowl into the baking dish. And so once it's all transferred over, I'm just going to use the spatula to spread it out evenly onto the baking dish. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, good girl. So there you can see the dough is all flattened down nice and evenly in the baking dish. So now it's ready for it to go into the oven. And it's going to cook in the oven for approximately 20 minutes. So after cooking for 15 minutes, we'll give it a check and make sure that it's dry in the middle. And so once it's dry in the middle, then we know it's cooked. Is that good cooking, Liara?
Yeah.
Good. So also this is a really good recipe. It gives a nice balanced diet to your kids. It has a balance of protein, carbohydrates and fat. So it's a really good nutritious snack. Now, so will we put it in the oven? Will we put it in the oven?
No.
Will we put it in the oven? Yes.
That.
Good. So while that's in the oven cooking, we're just going to clean up the mess, and then when we take it out, we're going to add in our little decorations. So now it's been 20 minutes of cooking, so we're just going to check to see how it's doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick my fork in. And so you can see that it's came out nice and dry from the middle, which means it is cooked. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to transfer the bar onto the breadboard. And then we're going to leave it to cool for approximately 20 minutes. Then after 20 minutes, we're going to come back and we're going to slice it into bars. So we just leave it there so it can cool down and become hard. So now that our peanut butter and banana bars are nice and cool, I'm just cutting them into the slices. So this can also be put in the freezer and used at another time, so you don't have to eat them all within a certain time frame. You can freeze them and keep them over time, which is great to have a nice healthy snack to just take out for the kids on hand. So now we're going to put on the toppings. Yeah, Liara, do you want to pick which ones you want to put on first? No, don't eat them. Okay, eat that one. Eat. No. Okay. Now pick which one you want to put on. And then we're going to stick them on with some honey. So I'm just going to put honey on. And then we're just going to stick on the decorations. So you can also use, you can put in some walnuts or chocolate chips, different things for it to put on the top for it to flavour them also. Yeah. So now we can stick on the decorations. So which one are you going to put on first?
The
The flower?
Yeah.
Okay, pick the flower. Now put it on here.
Oh.
Put it on your bar. So stick it on the honey. Stick it on the honey. Look on the honey. There. Very good. Now, which one's next? What about the lion? Are you going to use the lion or the elephant?
Yeah.
Which one?
Want help?
Need help?
Yeah.
Oh, is he stuck? Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Now, use the elephant. Now, stick the elephant onto this one. girl. Now what's next? Now. So stick it on.
Daddy Penno.
Very good. Good girl. Now, and the lion.
Daddy Lion.
What does the lion say?
Wow.
Good.
Put
Stick them on that one. Good girl. And then the flowers. What color are your flowers?
Daddy Pink.
Is it orange?
Yeah, that's orange.
And what color is that one?
Daddy Pink.
It's yellow.
Daddy Yellow. Daddy Orange.
Good.
Daddy Yellow.
Very good. So stick them on the honey so they can stick. Now, well done. And so there we have our peanut butter and banana bars all decorated nicely. They're lovely and appetizing for the kids. Do you want to eat them?
Yeah.
Which one do you want to eat?
Um.
The one with the flour? Not the flour. Look, you're going to eat the bar. See? Want to eat this?
No.
Just the flour. Do you want to put the flour on it and eat it? Look. Now, eat.
Alright.
Very good. Taste it. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Good. And so there we have our peanut butter and banana bars all finished and ready to eat. Remember, if you like this video, please do like and subscribe below. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a great day.